Hi, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about personal information system. Before that, we have to identify which is the personal information. There are 6 ways in which information can be personal. That is the information owned by me, the information about me, the information directed toward me, the information sent or the information posted by me, the information experienced by me, the information relevant to me. These are the personal informations. Personal information management is set of activities in which people perform in order to acquire, organize, maintain, retrieve and use personal information such as documents, web pages, email messages every day to accomplish the assigned task. The personal information system maintains the information about employees in department. There are various roles in the personal information system such as employee, manager, customer, student and etc. Conceptually, personal information system is a collection of information and methods that help the people to maintain the information of persons. This information system can be maintained offline. One can carry this information system in pen drive. Examples of personal information systems are address book system, personal notes, email notification, reminders and alert systems, lists, personal file collection system, instant messaging system. The need of personal information systems are listed here. This system saves time and efforts in locating the information. Information system is used for easy retrieval of information. The information system organizes the entire information systematically. Using personal information system within an organization means better employee productivity and better teamwork in the near team. Next, the functionalities of personal information system. There are two modes, user panel and administrator panel. The user panel is for entering the personal information such as profile detail, qualification detail and employment detail. The administrator panel maintains the following activities: user setting, profile master, qualification master, document upload master, email settings and printer settings. Next, benefits of personal information systems. It contains the data of all its users. User can easily search and locate the data with personal information management system. Information stored in personal information system is transferable to other location and software programs. This is the one example of design and development of personal information. The scenarios given here. Design simple personal application that gives some reminders for every day, identifies the inputs to be taken, process to be taken and output to be produced. What multimedia components can be added to this application? First we have to know that is the reminder. This reminder app gives every day about the particular event plan and etc. That is, the personal application for reminder is a simple and effective application that can be used in busy schedule for reminding the day-to-day activities. Features of this application: user can set or update the date and time for particular event. Next, the history data can be cleared. Next, priority of tasks can be set or changed. Next, one can feed to-do list to the application. Next, the meaning scheduling can be input to the application. The remaining application will display the schedule 1 hour prior to actual schedule. The birthdays, anniversaries or important days can be reminded on particular date by flashing images, messages and ringing alarms, or press remind me after sometimes button. Next, email data Name of person, email address, phone number and etc. can be used by application to as input. This feature can be set if user permits to do. The day or date or time can be set according to the appropriate time zone of the country. The sample graphical user interface is given for this personal application. This is the event setting page which has the subject of reminder and priority note and event description and time and date can be changed, and we have a clear button and OK button. Next, this is a GUI when the event is occurred. Here the particular event name and the event description and the priority level and the date and time, and which has two buttons. One is OK and another one is remind me later. The components of this personal information system, there are three components: input, process and output. In the system, the inputs are name of person, birthday, anniversary date, meeting timing, purpose of meeting, allotted timings for meeting, to-do list. Next, process. Processing involves making calculations, matching the data against the system date, matching person name, storing data for future use. Next component, output, displaying remaining information on the device, display date, ringing alarm, flashing light. The multimedia components can be used in this personal application. They are text, graphics, image and audios. The text is used for typing the input to the system as well as for displaying the name of the events, detailed information about some schedules. Next component, graphics. The attractive graphics flashing as output on matching with date or time of particular event. Next, image. The image or photo of the persons can be displayed while reminding the birthday or anniversaries. Next, audio. Melody song or ringtone will be ringing for the remaining algorithm. Next, animation. Animated image or text can be displayed on the device for remaining on particular event. Thank you.